Finally, the loan has come through. We have the 400,000 rupees we needed to expand our business.
Yes, but we still need to calculate how much we need to pay back every year.
We just have to pay a markup on the total amount, right?
No, the markup changes each year, depending on how much of the loan amount you have already repaid.
Why is this so difficult?
There's no need to be dramatic, Danyal. Come, let me simplify it for you.
When you borrow money from a bank, they set certain terms and conditions. This includes when the loan needs to be repaid and what the markup rate will be. To plan your finances, it is important to know how much money you will have to repay at the end of the loan period. Usually, the amount you repay is larger than the principal amount. This is due to the simple markup, which is charged on the principal amount. Although loans can be structured in a variety of ways, here is a simple example. Suppose you borrow 10,000 rupees for 1 year with a markup of 10% per year. After 1 year, you must repay the loan amount plus the 10% markup, which in this case is 1,000 rupees. Now suppose you borrow the same amount, 10,000 rupees for 1 year at a 10% annual markup. But the bank asks you to repay the loan in 2 equal installments. In the first installment, you will repay half of the principal amount plus the markup for half the year on the total principal amount. In the second installment, you will pay the remaining principal plus the markup for half the year on the remaining principal, not on the total amount borrowed. You won't pay markup on any amount that has already been paid off. In some cases, if you cannot pay back a loan on time, you may be faced with paying compound markup. Compound markup is charged on both the previously unpaid principal amount and markup. Compounding rates are mostly used for credit cards and savings accounts. Using credit cards is like taking a loan. You are borrowing money and you are paying to use that money. With compound markup rates, even if you pay off the minimum repayment amount on your card, the unpaid amounts keep adding up. It is wiser to pay off credit card bills as early as you can. Let's look at a simplified example. Suppose you have an outstanding amount on your credit card of 10,000 rupees with a markup charge of 10% per month. If you do not pay back this amount by the end of the first month, apart from any late payment fee, you may also need to pay compound markup. In the first month, you will be charged 10% on the 10,000 rupees. However, in the second month, if this amount is not paid back, the new principal will become 11,000 rupees. As you can see, adding markup back to the principal and then charging markup on the new principal can add up quickly. Instead of paying 13,000 rupees, which is what you would pay if this was simple markup, you end up paying 13,310 rupees. The total to repay not only grows every month, but grows at an increasing rate. Compound markup rates are beneficial for savings. The markup you earn on your savings increases each year, allowing you to accumulate a large amount of savings over a long period of time. Comparing markup rates of different banks and credit cards helps you choose the best option.